my line of sight on what's real. One more day, I fear I've lost my way. I don't know how to say what I feel. Someone better hurry, I'm all alone. I keep breaking down, you know. No one ever taught me to be on my own. I keep breaking down, you know. One more night, my eyes reflect the light. In the distance, something bright appears. One more day, it's too hard to explain. What goes on in my brain is not clear. Someone better hurry, I'm all alone. I keep breaking down, you know. No one ever taught me to be on my own. And I keep breaking down, you know. So hold on one more night, hold on one more day, hold on one more night, hold on one more day. There'll be one more night and things will be made right. Again I'll hold you tight, my dear. One more day and I'll collect my pay and soon be far away from here. Hey folks, it's going to be guitar lesson for One More Day, One More Night by Tom Petty. This is the final song on Tom Petty's Echo album. I really love this track. It's a painful song. Tom was in a lot of pain at the time, but it's really beautiful. So let's get into the guitar lesson. I'm using no capo. There is no capo, and the guitar is in standard tuning, so nothing funky. Let's get into the chords. I guess there's three parts to the song, we'll call it. The intro and the verse are the same. Then we got the middle part, and then the kind of hold on one more night part. So let's get into the intro with a verse. So intro is going to start. It's an A minor. I'm doing a little hammer on A minor. Sounds like Mary Jane's Last Dance, except slow. To an E minor, then a C. And whenever I'm playing the C and the F, the normal Tom Petty thing, I'm going to play the high G. So a C with the high G. I'm not going to call that every time I say it. I'm just going to call it a C. But just you're going to hear that high G. So let me start it again. It's A minor, E minor, C, G, F with the high G, C, back to G. And I'm going to do a little sus4 there. So one more time on that. This is the verse and the intro. So A minor if you want the little hammer. E minor. C to G. F. Back to C. Back to G. Again, I do that little sus4 if you want that. That's part 1. Part 2 is going to be this part, D minor. Someone better hurry, I'm all alone, to a G. So D minor to a G, and then I walk up the second string, 1, 3, to a C, and then I walk down the C. I keep breaking down, C over B to A minor, you know. Back to D minor. No one ever taught me to be on my own, G. Walk it up if you want. And I keep breaking down, C, C over B. Breaking down, you know, A minor. And then I'm going to do an F with the high G. And that takes us back into Be One More Night. And that all repeats. So that's 2 parts of the song. Then, you know, we go back into Someone Better Hurry, D minor, G. And I keep C, walk it down, A minor. And then we'll go to the F over G. So hold on one more night, hold on one more day. So it's the final part of the song. It's the third part. Hold on is just A minor, E minor, and then I do 2 taps. E minor, A minor. One more day, A minor, E minor. One more night, E minor, A minor. One more day, and then that F with the high G, kind of hold it. There'll be one more night, and things will be made right. To an F, to a C, to a G, sus4, A minor, E minor, to C, back to G, to F, back to C, to G, and then I'm just going to end on an A minor. Of course, the song just, the intro is the outro, and it just plays out with a great Mike Campbell solo. So, folks, that's it. That is One More Day, One More Night by Tom Petty. Again, a very, very beautiful, touching, sad song by Tom, the finale track to his Echo album. Thank you so much for watching, folks. I will see you all soon. Stay safe. Have a great day. Take care.